Hello. Welcome back to the channel. Right now we're gonna go ahead and give you a tour of a resort that we're at right now. It is Hyatt Ziva Los Cabos. So we got an partial ocean view, right, Cathy?
Club Ocean View now.
Club Ocean View here at Hyatt Ziva in San Jose del Cabo. And when you first walk into the hotel, by the way, very nice hotel. You'll have the first closet right here. You know, you got your safe, hangers, perfect. Oh yeah, by the way, you have a
Double bed.
two double beds. As you can see right over here, we've already started the festivities. So we have two double beds, and now when you first walk in, you're also greeted with this nice mirror right here. Sup? Then underneath it, you got the mini fridge. Oh yeah. And that is refilled every day with soda, juices, water, and beer, wine. A couple shots right there. Let's take you to the bathroom. This is the bathroom right here. And what's nice about this is that you got a whole lot of goodies right here. There we go. You even got sanitizer and wipes because of COVID, you know. You got a nice bathroom right here. They even got the Cottonelle wipes, or Cottonelle toilet paper, the Poopery and the Kirkland Signature wet wipes don't come with it. We brought that. We got a nice little bathroom right over here. Rainfall shower, which is our favorite when we're traveling. Bathtub right here. And we also can open this window, boom, out there to the balcony and to the main bedroom area so that you can enjoy the view. Let's go over here. Through the hallway again, you got more closets. We already have our stuff kind of like set up. Forgive our mess. We got a little section here for our backpacks. Nice and convenient. Then we got our two double beds right over here. Cathy and I are gonna sleep separately. I sleep there. She sleeps closer to the water. Nice big ass TV. That's what you'll scan to look for the activities, you know.
Menu for the restaurant.
Room service, things like that. Pretty sweet. We got our masks right here and face shields. Nicely set on the table. Big ass screen, mirror right here. I was gonna say screen. Big ass mirror. Full body mirror. I think this pulls out into a bed, but we don't need it.
Look under, maybe. See? Oh yeah. No, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't. Just kidding. And now the best part of the whole room is the outside. So this is our little balcony.
Yes, and this is our view. So pretty.
The best part, Hyatt Ziva Los Cabos, guys. All-inclusive hotel. So you already know we're going to eat as much as we can, drink as much as we can, and enjoy each other's companies. That's it for now. Cathy and I are going to go and make some reservations for dinner and then probably go out there to enjoy the weather. Peace. Chilling in our balcony because
why not?
Exactly, we got a bomb ass view. Look at that view, it's beautiful. And we are
Why not?
Did you say wine not?
Yeah.
We are supposed to be getting ready for the dinner reservation at the French restaurant.
Never eaten a French restaurant.
I don't think I have either.
Oh, I mean, like,
just
maybe
Italian.
a French cafe, like, you know, the one we went to at Phoenix, Arizona. That was one.
Was?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, if it was one, then I will probably like it.
Yeah, it was.
We should probably get ready.
Yeah, we should. And then
This
we
is-
could chill after
yeah.
if needed be.
This is not showing off the resort yet. This is just us vlogging our experience here. And just chilling, living life, being with Bae here for her birthday.
Oh, wow. Okay,
We're gonna go ahead, when it's her birthday, we're going to be playing, what's that song?
Oh, birthday bitch.
Yeah.
Birthday beep.
How does it go?
One time for the birthday.
They beep, 2 times for the birthday beep. Yeah, that song, you know. Maybe I'll play it here. Who knows? But yeah. So
it's
beautiful.
Like and it's also like a honeymoon. Again, I feel like for me.
Yeah, this is like maybe a continuation of our honeymoon and Cathy's.
Cut short.
Yeah. So
Maybe we'll be back next year for Adam's dirty 30.
maybe
we can go Cancun
Puerto,
again.
oh maybe
Or
Puerto Vallarta,
Yeah, we want to.
Cancun.
We should do it.
Cheers. Oh, wow.
Cathy's first time trying escargot
Have you tried escargot?
before.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Good. What?
I can't really taste it, but
Like like
I feel like the
that's
spread
good,
is
fine,
very.
That's good though, right?
It's good though. Yeah,
Okay.
we have the last one.
Okay.
Hey yo, we just finished the escargot and the
The
salmon
appetizer.
appetizer. Now we got the lobster bisque.
I think it's lobster.
Delicious. I'm pretty sure this is either
Lobster shrimp.
lobster or shrimp. What do you guys say?
I
think
guess it
that's
kind
shrimp.
of looks shrimp, but
I think it's shrimp.
okay. Nice. Here, I'll do some.
What'd you get there?
I got a lamb chops, baby. Looks like there's some mashed potatoes. And I don't know, that's like carrots and then some gravy. Alright, I'll just eat the whole thing.
So we can okay? Looking
Good.
fantastic.
Thank you.
Thank you. Is it hot?
Juicy.
Juicy?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. How was it?
Good.
Yeah? Nice. Thumbs up?
We taste the lamb.
Really?
Yeah.
Ooh.
But I don't mind it.
I'm just gonna go right in it. Ooh. Cheers.
Good. Nice. With the green peas.
Mm-hmm. A little bit of pineapple.
Nice.
That's not pineapple.
What is it?
That's a potato.
Oh, that's funny.
That's cool.
That is very cool.
Good.
Woohoo!
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Try it, boo.
Different.
Yeah?
Different than that.
Señores, bienvenidos al restaurante Bon
I like
Vivant.
it.
Mi nombre es Leonardo.
It's like you know, like when you have tiramisu and there's like some kind of alcohol.
Yeah.
Like that. You try it.
Bloop.
Good.
Mmm.
That liquor's strong.
Good.
Good.
Okay, we just got done at the French restaurant. It was our first reservation of the night.
That's
What
right.
did we think, Adam?
We thought that the portions were small, but the portions were delicious.
Yes. You get like a bunch of like small dishes, and then you really enjoy the tasting of each one. Like at first me and Adam were gonna share stuff, and then the guy was like, no, you could get your own. And it was true.
For the most part, it was true.
Upset towards the end.
And that's only because we started feeling full after eating multiple dishes.
Yes. And then also the dessert we got was like, we didn't show it, but it was a crepe. Or you did show it. But
I did record it.
yeah. So there's like a crepe, and it was like, yeah, there was alcohol in it, so.
I forgot what the name of it was, but it was super strong. And by that time, I was like, okay, I can't.
We could look it up.
Yeah, we can.
But yeah, it was cool because
Grand Marnier?
Yeah.
Marnier?
Is that
Grand
is
Marnier?
that like a
Grand-
tequila?
No, I
Oh.
don't think so.
Okay.
By the way, Cathy's, if you can't tell, Cathy's just sitting on me like there's no tomorrow.
Is it dying? Your
No.
legs? Oh,
Good thing the bed is bouncy, I guess.
fine, I'll stop.
I can breathe. Just kidding.